Hi, it's Hunter Asset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi on Realme 11 Pro Plus. First, open the quick settings and the Wi-Fi, then disable it and enable once again. Click More, then the information next to your saved network, and forget and remove. After a couple of seconds, try to type in the password once again and save. After that, as you can see, we are connected. If it's still not working for you, then you need to try to restart your phone and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.